This is a DX35 by Heathkit. Came out before the DX40. Runs a little bit less power than the DX40. And this one has some accessories on the back, which I will show a picture of somewhere along the line. And it also has a couple of switches here, which I don't know what they do. And the fellow I got it from, I didn't ask him what they did because it didn't matter to me what they did. As it turns out, it doesn't appear they do anything, but you can figure it out if you want. I have a crystal cover for it that I can include, but you will have to pay an additional $12 for that because they sell on eBay. I've seen them sell as high as $22. So think of that huge discount I'm giving you, almost around 40%. So that's that to me is a pretty good deal. Some of the other controls, it has a mic control in the back, uses what looks like a 1/4-inch plug for it, and it has something called key over here. So I got my key, but it doesn't seem to fit. I can't seem to find a key that's going to fit. That key doesn't fit. Or maybe this key is kind of small. It's to my shed. At least let's see if that that goes in. So that might work. I didn't feel it touch anything though when it went inside. Oh, here's another key. I don't even know what this key goes to. Yeah, I'll put that in there. That doesn't seem to work either. So I don't know what the deal is with key. You know, and I'm not even a no-code ham. I actually learned the code when I was a child. Even a child can learn the code. Isn't that amazing? All right, let's get to the rig. We put this in the grid position, and we put the meter. We put it in CW, and we set the grid current. Probably around 2 minutes. That's probably okay. You're supposed to peak it, but I don't want to put too much in it. Then you put it over the plate, and I actually did tune it up prior. This is on 80 meters. As you can see, it only has 1 meter, but they put 80 down here, and I don't know where the other 79 meters are. Anyway, so if I put it in the CW position, I dip the plate. I actually don't dip a plate in anything. It's a little plate is a tube that's in the transmitter. And then I increase it over here, and I dip it again, and that's my power. Okay, then it says phone, and I'm not sure about that, but because I have a phone here, but I don't think I'm supposed to use that one. So I'm going to try it with a microphone. I don't know if that should work a little bit better. So put it in that position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it does modulate. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see the bulb lighting up, but maybe I don't. This microphone, it's a D104, which got its butt cut off down at the bottom here. You can see, but it does modulate, and maybe it. Let's see. Does that modulate more? Nope. Does that modulate more? Nope. Does that modulate more? Nope. But you can see it does modulate. So, oh, I could see the bulb light up a little bit. If I yell into it, the bulb will light up. Okay. All right, let's take that off. Now we're going to try it on 40 meters, which means I have to change the crystal. Crystals do not come with it, by the way. Okay. So I'm going to change the crystal and see how that works. I put this over in the grid position, put that down to 0, put this over to 40 meters. Need to tighten that set screw. I'm going to tighten that set screw because it seems to go a little farther. I'll tighten that set screw. So that's 40 meters. So we see how we are in the CW position. That looks like about right. Okay, put it in the plate position and put it over here, and we dip the final. That's the plate, by the way. Also has a cathode. You ever notice your car has 2 plates on it? Anyway, I'm not sure what that has to do with anything. And I know at Thanksgiving there were quite a few plates around. Okay, and so there that is. I don't know if, well, that's, well, hello. I put it on phone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, test. 1, 2. All right, that's enough. I'm tired of listening to you. Okay, gonna try it on 20 meters, and we're doubling the crystal. So, what was the crystal frequency? The crystal frequency was 7186, so it's gonna come out somewhere in the middle of 20 meters. Also, this does not come with crystals or a dummy load, which you see up there. So, let's put it in the CW position. Okay, and I'm gonna, well, I can get a lot of grid current out of that thing. I'm gonna keep it kind of in the middle and put this over there. Then go into the plate position. Oh, we need to dip that final. That thing's gonna, there we go. We don't want it to burn up. Okay, and then raise this up, lower this down, raise it up, lower it down, and I don't know how good of the bulb, how good a matched light bulb is. Okay, so that's 20 meters. Okay, we'll try it on 15 meters, even though this is pointed to 10. I gotta tighten the set screw. And put this in the grid position. Check that out. Let's peek that up. Okay. And put this in the plate position. Okay, and we gotta dip the final. That's really sensitive. Okay, and down we go. And up we go. Looks like the bulb is coming up. And that's it. I don't think I got a very good match on this. That's why okay, we'll try it on 10 meters. That's quadrupling the crystal. I think we're asking a little bit much if we're going to quadruple the crystal. I have quadruple dyslexia. That would be like 6 times, wouldn't it? So we'll go over to 10 meters. Oh, we do have drive. Pick that up. Okay. I don't know if we're going to get anything on CW here. Put this over to grid. No, plate. And we dip the final. Oh, that's really sensitive. I don't think it likes light bulbs. Wonder how it would work on an LED bulb. I am getting power out, but you don't see it on the bulb because I have a meter on it. Okay, that's really sensitive. And the bulb is starting to light up a little bit. So you're putting out something on 10 meters. Not a whole lot. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that's the Heathkit transmitter DX35. No extra charge for these 3 switches, which I have no idea what they do. And I will not even charge you for tightening up the set screw over here. Oh, there's another switch down here, whatever that does. Okay, so that's a Heathkit DX35. What's not included are the crystal, the dummy load, microphone, speaker, key, and I will include a box with the shipping, and if you're even lucky, I might even put some packing in.